Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 3 stocks that I see some sort of value and some sort of trade opportunity. Now before we jump into the episode here, right now we are doing the AirPods giveaway. So how you enter, it's super simple. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. And if you guys comment, I will put your name twice into the drawing. So when I raffle it, your name will be in there twice instead of once. So go ahead, comment on the video. Comment if you guys are interested in stocks or even investing, and I'll go ahead and answer all of you guys. So we're going to be going ahead and jumping in. We're going to be talking about pretty much a variety of stuff here. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys learn something. Now the very first stock that I want to talk to you guys about is ticker symbol VTVT. Now this stock has really gone crazy the past couple of weeks, and they did release some sort of news on diabetes. So it's a pretty cool stock that honestly needs some attention, and there could be a possible trade opportunity Monday. So let's go ahead, look at the chart, and learn something. Ticker symbol VTVT up and loaded here on the chart. So you guys can clearly see that this stock has this nice, really upward trend line, finding some support here. Let's go ahead and draw this out so you guys can see it. Some support here at roughly $2. So for those of you that don't know, whole dollars and half dollars act as very, very strong support. And so it's very common to see a stock that actually finds support at $2 flat. And look at this. We had this huge squeeze all the way from roughly 206 pushing up to highs of 290 before we got this nice little, it almost looks like a doji, so we could get some more sell-off here. But this stock this stock's going nuts. Now looking at the volumes down here, you guys can clearly see that there was a lot more volume right in here. And so this stock recently had a nice little run from roughly the same price point of like 206, 210, pushing highs all the way up to like 280. And this stock was a great opportunity to buy an overall trade. And they keep releasing news which pushes the stock price up more and more and more. So you guys can clearly see they did release some sort of news right here, which got more investors and more traders involved, and that's why we got this push up. So Monday morning or tomorrow, there could be a possible good trade opportunity. Let's go ahead and look at the 1-minute chart so we can see what's going on with it. So you guys can see it just kind of consolidating here. And one thing that I like about this stock, it is maintaining its pre-market highs. So it is pretty much only 10 cents off its pre-market highs, and that's really not too bad for a stock like this. So a good possible trade opportunity, maybe getting for the break of $3. For the break of $3 right here, pushing all the way up to like 310, 315 would be the ideal situation. But if that's, say, we look at it tomorrow morning and it's all the way down here at like 250, it wouldn't be a great opportunity because it's going to have to push up 40 cents and then really get more traders and more investors involved and push up more, which doesn't have a very good likelihood. But I do like how it's maintaining its pre-market highs, so there could be a possible trade there. Now the second stock here is Apple. Now Apple, we all know they sell electronics, they get manufactured overseas, but guess what? Due to the coronavirus, manufacturing has slowed down, which will cause the sales to slow down, which will cause the stock to slow down and kind of fall. This could be a good short opportunity. So pretty much what that means is you're betting for the stock to go down instead of up. That's what short means. So let's go ahead, look at the chart here so you guys can see kind of what's going on with it. All right, so looking at Apple here, you guys can clearly see that the coronavirus is disrupting the heart of electronics in manufacturing in China. So this is Apple CEO Tim Cook, and really what this is going to happen, I feel like Apple's going to kind of slow down their manufacturing, which is going to cause Apple to kind of fall down even more. So you guys can clearly see that Friday we had this huge sell-off. Started at roughly $323, hitting a low of $318. So nice little trade in here, but this stock possibly could continue to fall, and I think it should. So let's go ahead and look at a larger chart here, 90-day, and let's go ahead and do the hour here. So you guys can see that this stock has this beautiful, beautiful uptrend, hitting highs, And guess what? It did find some resistance at roughly $327. Now, how do we know that? Well, this stock almost came in contact with it really twice up here if you look at it. Sold off, hit it again, and now it's selling off. So it should sell off to roughly $300 again, in my opinion. And we did get this nice news article, which should push this stock down more. So I think there could be a possible swing trade for this stock. And if that's, say, it doesn't happen and the stock pushes back up, we could set our stop loss at like $320, $23. So risking $3 to gain $20. It's a great trade, and I think that this news article and the coronavirus could really damage Apple and the manufacturing of it. So now the third and final stock that I want to talk to you guys about is Tesla. Tesla has gone up literally from like $400, hitting highs of like $968 before we got some sort of sell-off and then some more sell-off. So what's going on with it? I want to talk to you guys about it, and there could be a possible trade opportunity. So let's go ahead and look at the chart. So looking at Tesla here, you guys can clearly see that this stock had a low of $224 in the past 90 days. The past 90 days, it literally went from $255 roughly, hitting highs of roughly $300 right in here. I remember that day, and it was a great day. It did just consolidate here, and then lately it's been running up like crazy. So we did get this huge sell-off here. So it did hit a high of $968.99. So let's go ahead and look at this here. So you guys can see that this stock is slowly stair-stepping down. So let's go ahead and draw this out so you guys can understand what I'm saying. So it is literally going like this. So this could be a couple of things. This could be forming what you call a triangle pattern, which if that's, say, it breaks above this trend line, we could get a possible squeeze up. And if that's, say, it breaks this support here, this could be a possible sell-off and a push back down. So really what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and draw out the support here so you guys can see it. So there's some nice support here at roughly $724 here. You guys can clearly see it came in contact with it and bounced up. But if that's, say, it breaks below it, we could get this sell-off, and it could sell off all the way back down to possibly, $650 is probably where it would get and find some support. And if that's, say, it doesn't and it breaks above this, the stock could easily squeeze all the way back up to roughly $850 before it sells off again. So we do have a little trade in here. We just got to see what happens with the chart. And if that's, say, it breaks above it and we get into the position, what we're going to do is we're going to set our stops right below this trend line. Just because if that's, say, it sells off, it may use this trend line as some support and continue to push it up, and vice versa. So if that's, say, it sells off, we're going to set our stops right in here because it may use this as resistance and sell off even more. So that's kind of what's going on with Tesla. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And obviously, realistically, I think that this stock could hit 500, if not lower, before it hits 1,000 again. I just think it's very volatile right now, and I think we should all kind of keep an eye out for it. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, go ahead, like the video, do what you guys do. Don't forget about the AirPods giveaway. It's super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, peace out, and I don't know, have a good one.